The following segment is sponsored by VIVA Health. Welcome back, friends. The Medicare annual enrollment period is almost over. That deadline, December 7th. Our friends from VIVA Health are with us now to answer those last-minute questions and to give you that motivation to enroll and make those changes. Tiffany Neighbors joining me. Welcome back, Tiffany. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So you still have some time. If people haven't made their selections, you still have time to do so. Again, this ends on the 7th. Why is this such an important time of year?
Right, as you mentioned, the 7th, the clock is ticking, and this is an important time of year for individuals who are Medicare eligible, because this is the time of year when you can make changes to your plan to make sure that you are taken care of when you most need it, to make sure that your benefits meet your needs and that you are taken care of.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
If there were things that you experienced in your medical care and paying for prescriptions that you didn't like, that you want to be able to change, now is the time to do that. Who qualifies to enroll in a Medicare plan?
Yes, that's going to be individuals who are 65 and older. And the good thing about VIVA Medicare is that you can stop into our local retail location and we can talk through your options with you. You want to make sure that your medications, your preferred medications are covered, your preferred doctors, and what are your out-of-pocket costs. Those types of things are things that we can talk through with you.
And talk about the difference. There's Medicare and Medicare Advantage. What's the difference there?
Yes. Well, original Medicare is going to be Medicare Parts A and B, and that's going to be basically your hospital and your medical coverage. When you have a Medicare Advantage plan, that's going to be everything that's original Medicare, but it's also going to include some extra benefits, and that can be things like vision, dental, and like I said, it can be over-the-counter benefits, and even access to gyms.
Mm-hmm. And so thinking about your lifestyle, what you want out of a plan, what you want to be covered, and what you're wanting to do, you and your family, if you need certain medications and maybe they weren't covered under your current plan, things to think about. It can seem like a lot to go through. And maybe if you haven't made your changes and you've been putting it off a little bit, maybe you've been a little bit intimidated. How can people get those resources and have somebody walk them through it? Yeah,
well, as you said, it can be very intimidating. There's so much information out there. And so with us, you can come into our local retail. We're in Hoover, located on Montgomery Highway in Hoover. You can stop in at any time. You don't have to have an appointment. We're happy to talk through your options with you. But it's important to note that benefits change every year. And so you'll want to make sure that your current plan, if you're on one, that any of the changes that are coming for the next year won't affect you in a negative way. So come on in. Let us give you help you sort through all the options and make sure that you're taken care of.
Certainly, and make sure that you have a plan that's going to fit your life, your lifestyle. We have more information right there on the screen as well. Tiffany, thanks so much for your time this morning.
Thank you.
Certainly. It is Creativity for a Cause, coming up next on Talk of Alabama.